Look at this madness. Apple just lifted its first sale of the iPhone 17 and people are literally standing in huge lines to grab one. And honestly, I kinda feel bad for them because this is the correct time to buy an iPhone. Not the new ones, but the old ones. For example, the most affordable iPhone in the iPhone 17 lineup costs 82,900 rupees. Now this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, top of the line smartphone from last year, which was launched at a staggering price of 1,44,900 rupees. But in 3 to 4 days, this very phone is going to be available at just 89,999 rupees. So boys and girls, just like this, I am going to unveil some of the best iPhone deals during the Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. Hit that like and subscribe button and let's begin. iPhone 16 Pro Max at 90,000 rupees is not a bad deal at all. But do remember, this discount also includes a 5,000 rupees credit card discount. Now, I've been using the iPhone 16 Pro Max for a very long time and I think this is still the second best iPhone after the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It supports iOS 26 and all its features. You can use Apple Intelligence to its fullest on this phone, 6.9-inch 120Hz OLED display, 5x telephoto zoom, 4K 120fps video recording and a lightweight design also thanks to its titanium frame that you don't get with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Next up, the second best iPhone deal during the sale would be iPhone 16 Pro. With sale and credit card discounts, Flipkart will list this phone at just 69,999 rupees, even cheaper than the base iPhone 17. If your budget is around 80,000 rupees, with this phone you get everything that you are getting with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, except for the size and battery. Now, the iPhone 16 has also seen a price cut of 28,000 rupees. So if you want an iPhone that supports all the latest features, gives you that premium feel and experience, the iPhone 16 at just 51,999 would be a perfect fit. The only drawback of this deal is that iPhone 16 only supports 60Hz refresh rate, whereas all the latest iPhones support 120Hz. But even that 60Hz on an iPhone feels slick most of the time. The last deal that looks a little tempting is the iPhone 14. This will be the most affordable iPhone during the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. You can grab the iPhone 14 at just 39,999 rupees, but know that you would have to compromise on many things such as Apple Intelligence, 48 megapixel cameras, dynamic island and more. So if you just want an iPhone, you know what to do. So these are some of the hottest iPhone deals during the Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. Now you tell me in the comments which one would you pick and we'll let you know if it's a good pick or not. See you in the next one.